So today's a bittersweet day for the channel. It's bitter because over the last 3 years I've been filming in a certain location at my old house, which has become known as the Brent Eats Heat studio. Well, in my own mind, it's the Brent Eats Heat studio. Really, it was just the corner of my room where I had like Pocky one chip challenges and everything pinned to the wall. I'm on my way now to go tear down the old setup and get ready to box it up and get ready to move it to my new apartment, which I'm moving in Friday, by the way. So that's the sweet part of it. I said bittersweet because I'm tearing down something that has been near and dear to me for over the last 3 years. I'm boxing it up. That's the bitter part. The sweet part is it's going to be set up in a new, different location in a new, better way. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go do that now, and I'm going to have you come along with me.